Good morning, students. First, we practice balancing the reaction. We start with magnesium reaction with oxygen. Magnesium plus O2 changes into MgO. As per rule, first we encircle magnesium, oxygen, MgO species separately. Now we start with the oxygen. O2 on the left side 2, but in the right side only 1. So we multiply it by 2. Now magnesium become 2. So we multiply magnesium on the left side with 2. Now reaction become 2Mg plus O2 changes into 2MgO. Now another reaction, H2SO4 plus zinc changes into ZnSO4 plus H2. Reaction is already balanced. Hydrogen 2 SO4. It is an ion, so can be taken as a single species because there is no change. 1 sulfate, same sulfate, zinc. Now lead nitrate, another reaction, lead nitrate plus potassium iodide changes into lead iodide plus KNO3. First we encircle all the species, then we start with the KNO3. KNO3 on the left side, NO3 species 2, but on the right side only 1, so multiply it with 2. Now K become 2, so we multiply this Ki with 2. Now I become 2. On the right side they are 2, so now reaction is balanced. Now balanced reaction is equal to PbNO3 whole twice plus 2Ki changes into PbI2 plus 2KNO3. Now another skeletal reaction, CO plus H2 changes into CS3OH. Encircle all them. Start with the compound or species with maximum number of atoms. So we start with methanol. 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogen. On the right side, on the left side only 2. So we multiply this hydrogen with 2. Now they become 4. Now carbon 1 left and right, oxygen 1 left and right. So now reaction is balanced. CO plus twice H2 changes into CS3OH. Now another skeletal reaction, CO2 plus H2O changes into C6H12O6 plus O2. Encircle all them. Start with glucose because it has maximum number of atoms. Carbon 6. So this CO2 should be 6. Hydrogen 12. And hydrogen are coming from the water. H2O. So these should be 6. 6 2s are 12. Now oxygen. 6 oxygen here. 6 oxygen here. Now this 6 O2. So 6 2s are 12. So this O2 multiplied by 6. Now reaction is balanced. 6 CO2 plus 6 H2O changes into C6H12O6 plus 6 O2. Dear students, it is simply a hit and trial method based on the law of conservation of mass. So as per your convenience, you can adopt your own method also. It is a simply hit and trial method. Now we discuss the exercise. Our first question is, we should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air. Magnesium is a reactive material. So when it come in contact with air, especially oxygen, it react with oxygen and a thin layer of magnesium oxide form over the magnesium wire. Once magnesium changes into the magnesium oxide, it further cannot be react with oxygen. If you are going to burning it, it means you are going to react with oxygen. This magnesium oxide layer is sticky, so we have to remove it with sandpaper. This is the reason we have to clean the magnesium ribbon before we are going to burning it. Now, second one, write the balanced equation for the following chemical reactions. Hydrogen plus, what equations are given to you? In first, hydrogen plus chlorine changes into hydrogen chloride. Now write the skeletal equation first. H2 plus Cl2 changes into HCl. Hydrogen plus chlorine changes into hydrogen chloride. Encircle them. Hydrogen left side 2, right side only 1. So multiplied HCl with 2. Now chlorine become 2 and on the left side they are already 2. So now it is balanced. H2 plus Cl2 changes into twice HCl. Our another reaction word equation is barium chloride react with aluminium sulfate changes into barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. First we convert this word equation into the chemical equation, chemical skeletal equation. Now write down barium chloride BaCl2 plus aluminium sulfate Al2 SO4 whole thrice. Next changes into barium sulfate plus aluminium chloride. Balance the equation. This is aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 whole thrice. Balance the equation. First we start with aluminium sulfate because it has maximum number of atoms. First encircle all the species. Sulfate on the left side, that is in aluminium sulfate 3. So barium sulfate should be 3. Now sulfate become 3, both left and right side. Now barium become 3. So in the left side multiply BaCl2 with 3. Now chlorine becomes 6. But in the right side there are only 3. And aluminium on the left side only 2. So on the right side we multiply this AlCl3 with 2. Now reaction is balanced. 3BaCl2 plus Al2SO4 whole thrice changes into 3BaSO4 plus 2AlCl3. So now it is a balanced chemical equation. Your another word equation is given to you. Sodium plus water changes into sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. First you convert word equation into the chemical equation. This word equation is Na sodium plus water changes into NaOH plus hydrogen. This is skeletal equation. Now encircle all them. Check one by one. On the left side, sodium is 1, both side. Hydrogen on the, now listen very carefully, H2O is basically HOH. So one water can give only one OH and one hydrogen. You want 2 hydrogen, so this water molecule should be 2. Now OH 2, so this OH should be 2. Now 2 Na, so this Na should be 2. Listen again, Na plus H2O, NaOH plus H2. This is your skeletal equation. First you change it. First you encircle all the species Na, H2O, NaOH and H2. Now remember this one, water is HOH. It can give one H and one OH. 2 hydrogen are here. So you want 2 water molecules to give 2 hydrogen atoms. Right? So now OH become 2. 2 OH. 2 OH become 2. So we multiply NaOH with 2. Now 2 Na. So this Na become 2. So now balance chemical equation. 2 Na plus twice H2O changes into twice NaOH plus H2. Now it is balanced chemical equation. Thank you, students. Next exercise we will be discussed in the next class.